Morning everyone. Today July 14, 2022, Thursday. So we can tell on here is Nasdaq SP 500. Dow Jones is all of them things went down, and very quick on crude oil. It's dropped like 12% compared with last couple weeks. It's now right now is 95.77. And it's go down. It's 3 source down too. So in here we can tell all the sugar, soybean, coffee, wheat, corn, all of them food price is went down is good because the oil is down. The oil down, every service and transportation is down. It's pretty good for today, but anyway, inflammation. So it's really bad. And especially natural gas add up a little bit, but crude oils in life right now is $93. That means $2 less compared with this morning. That's really good. Good morning, traders again. And this morning, we do the from Omaha, Nebraska, USA. We did the stock reporting. So at 7 a.m. Central Time, and we can see US dollar up a little bit, 108, and the G is down to 93. Yep, and because like every minute it's changed. But anyway, we know it's energy, like crude oil is down. That's awesome. So financial powder that's good for the bank. So in the K, it's kind of lower in trading. Oh, it's not very good for us, but and the gold went down a little bit. It's 1,014. It's not really good for the gold investor. Stock drop on Thursday because inflation. Yep, and the Chase reporting. So we can tell here like Dow Jones when they lost and SP 500 and the future today we got a lot of new, and so heavy stock and Nasdaq kind of drop a little bit. Seeing like they got poisoned by the main word is inflations. Inflation went down. Some of the states went up like more than 10%. Some of them like 15%, and especially big economy like a lot of states like California and New York. But this especially is not in Florida. So when the big state got higher inflation, so with a smaller state, but I mean like very stable economy like Minnesota, Georgia, Nebraska, Kansas, and it's not affect that much. But anyway, the oil is rise the economy. So they quoted and they dropped 5% on here, and we can say West Texas. Yep, those new very useful, and because like we got a lot of new today, some of them can read fast, some of them you have to screenshot and look it up a little bit. And one more thing is EV market. Tesla have a event. It's going to be split for 5-in-1 in August. So, and one more reminding. So Shopify is 10 for 1. So in June 29, if someone like they kind of know it, but they don't remember when they sleep again, and it's just reminding knowledge in the stock market. So we're going to take a look on CZX Corporation. Is a pretty good company, and it's going to have a Q2 reporting, EQ reporting. And if you want, go ahead and take a look, and you can get some, because I got the good news there for today's benefits. A strong consumer demand of the shift towards lower costs in transportation and to wellness. So the manufacturing output fell 0.1% in May, but after seeing raise 0.8% in April. Of course, right now is July. Money's coming. So a XTR stock jump is 18%. Is it okay to buy? So they are raised. It's from right. It's went around like 8 something to 10 some right now, and they can move forward and can gain more and more compared with the last few weeks. That's meant because the revenue is up. So the first stock we go, and today we just focus on one, EXTR, Extreme Networks. So we can tell that like big jumping in couple days. Like a lot of people got a question, say, is it this one's keep going like this, or it's going to be falling back? Because like we can compare like 8.49 is the lowest one and 16.6 is highest one, and one day they can move around 9.15 to 10.46. Like that's $1.30. That's the daily rotation is $1.30 for. It's more than 10% of that stock. We just need around, like 3 to 5%. That's been around 30-40 cents of that stock. That's be very, very good. So we can tell in 3 months it's getting up. It used to be close to $12. That's over 11.5. So the smart score we can see is a 10. Its grading is highest one, and the system lets us know is a strong buy. And the target price you can sell as like even though 14 to 16. All the good news is really high information, but the thing is, return equity is 73.2%. That's the main thing we need to focus about. So it's around $10, but the low, it's called the low target is $13. If you put in C2, you can get that target in at least in next few weeks. So if you put in C1, it's not sure for that, but anyway, you still make good money in this stock at all. So compared with Q1 is very, very low. Like I'm talking about Q1 2022. Yep, and Q2, Q3 or Q4. That's the estimate for that. But anyway, Q4 is not, that's the winter. That's a season. That's the weather effect. And anyway, the revenue, they already. So we can tell the revenue on the map is getting up by the time. You see Q3 2020 and Q3 2021 and 9 now. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. See you guys tomorrow.